I realized that I have a lot of small saws and quite a few big saws. Well, actually just one really big saw. And I don't have any saws that are like in the middle. So I had to buy a 500i. Yeah, I'm so excited to show you guys. I screwed him down on my hydraulic lift table so he wouldn't move when I was carving him. Okay, moving on. Banjo, look, it's my little snail. Oh, okay, bud. You gotta get down, get down. You wanna show him what we got? He doesn't want you guys to see. You gotta help me open it. You gotta help me open it. Help me open it, bub. So we actually had to take like a couple trips to find this saw. But we did, we found it. Look at this. Need to move. Oh, the 500i. And when I say we had to take a couple trips, the places that we stopped at, they only had like the full wrap handle. And I didn't want the full wrap handle, which would be cool to have, but it's not really necessary for me. So I just wanted the regular plain Jane 500i. What are you eating? Buddy, look how snazzy this is. I'm gonna flip it around so you guys can see it. Very coolio. And so we got a Stihl, I think this is a 28, yeah. We got a 28-inch light bar. I'm super excited because I don't have many light bars and I've heard a lot of good things about them. Ooh, look at this. Look at that. Made in Germany. Thanks, Germany. So I'm gonna put this together. Banjo, fetch. Okay, so this is a 3/8 chain and I'm gonna put it all together for you guys. Look at this rolly matic. Look at that. Definitely everything needs some oil. Got my ratchet scrunch. Am I tightening it? Yeah, I am. I'm tightening it. Now I don't know if the 500, if these nuts stay on the cover plate. It looks like it does. I'm always a fan of that. Because if you're anything like me, I'm just constantly losing everything that I need at all times. I don't know where anything is. I look fancy. Okay, cool. Yay, that's a bonus. I always consider that a bonus when the nuts are on the cover. Thank you. Ooh. Okay, let's put it together. This is my third biggest bar, 28-inch. My biggest bar that I have is a 54-inch, and that's the titanium bar that we use for milling, for our Alaskan mill. And then I also have a 36-inch for the 881. Just to show you guys, this is a Stihl chain for the Stihl bar. And Stihl has this like yellow tag on it to show that this chain will have more of a kickback. So you just gotta be a little bit more careful. Let's put it on right. And for the lower kickback chains, they'll have like a green link to it. Banjo, stop eating all the sawdust. I am definitely not the fastest person to put on a bar and a chain on a chainsaw. Cool. Put the cover on. Bam. Get it kind of snug, and then we'll play with the tension of the chain. Ooh, this looks so fancy. So shiny and new. That is not going to last long. In for this saw, I will be using this chainsaw to do some carving. The 881, no, that one's just for milling. What do you think, buddy? Tighten these nuts up. Nice. So I originally wanted a 25-inch bar, but they didn't have it, and so we had to go with the 28, which is okay, because I was bouncing between a 25 and a 28, and maybe eventually I'll get a 25-inch Stihl light bar. But super happy that I finally got a 500i. I know a lot of you guys have been saying, get the 500i, get the 500i. I've been wanting to get it, and we finally got it. There's definitely gas in there at some point. Put it in my Aspen fuel. Fill her up. Holy man! That took like over half of this bottle. It's a quart. Let's start it up. I'm so excited. If I sound hoarse, it's just the allergies are so bad. So bad. It's like really annoying. Okay, so we're gonna pump it a couple times. There's like a little spring in the pump. That's so cute. Let me just show you. Like, look at the back. Look, there's a little spring in there. That's kind of cool. Pull. We'll see how many times it takes. Hopefully 3 pulls. I'm doing it wrong. The mosquitoes. Guys, they're so bad. They're so bad. Check this out. That's how you stop it. It's just a button. It probably wouldn't be a bad idea either if you get like a new bar and chain to put some oil just like on the tip here and let it drip down the bar. Let's give it a shot. I'm gonna do a couple cuts. I'm so excited. First cuts, let's go. so fun. Guys, this feels like a fast saw. It is a fast saw.